What's up, YouTube? It's your boy P, and today we're checking out the DXRacer Martian Pro. This is going to be a straightforward unboxing, setup, and first impressions video. The Martian Pro is DXRacer's flagship chair in their new electric lineup, and honestly has a couple features that genuinely caught me off guard while making this video. These are not the kind of things I'd expect to see in a gaming chair. We'll definitely get into it as we deep dive the product. And I just want to say, huge shout out to DXRacer for reaching out to sponsor the channel. You can find the links and everything you need in the video description if you want to learn more. There's also a coupon code. Use code PRINCESS if you want to save a bit of money at DXRacer and help support the channel at the same time. As for first impressions, what stood out immediately is the weight of this thing. It clocks in at over 70 pounds because it has an all-metal frame. So you might want to assemble this in the room you intend to use it in, because it's going to be a pain to lug around. As this is an electric-powered chair, I guess I should probably show off the different features. First off, on the left-hand side, we have a lever that lets us power recline as well as power incline the chair. Get a closer look of that. The DXRacer lights up as we recline it. Slightly more impressive than that is the heated and cooled seating. Sit down here and long press the bottom button. That's going to turn on the heating, which by default lasts 10 minutes. And you can turn it back on after that if you still want it. There's 3 different powers to that. And then the cooling activates a fan. And both of these features will be pretty nice in Canada, where it gets really cold in the winter and really hot in the summer. And it's all on the seat. It doesn't come out of the back. The craziest feature of all is actually on the right-hand side. Down here, there's a button in the middle, and when you press this, it turns on pistons that give you a back massage. I believe there are around 8 different settings, so you can have these work in different ways, and there are 8 different pistons. I didn't know I needed this, but it is pretty enjoyable. So we can cycle that by tapping the middle button and then long press to turn it off. This is the chair we're using on the official website. And as I was browsing what they had to offer earlier, they have hundreds of different chairs. But what actually caught my eye personally was their powered desks. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see an unboxing of one of these, possibly sometime down the road, because I think that would be pretty fun and it would be a nice change of pace, just like this one was. Coupon code Princess should work on everything in the shop. You don't have to get this exact chair. All right, well, that's the video. Thanks again to DXRacer, and I'll probably be back next time with some actual Path of Exile content. So I'll catch you then. Take care. Enough of this fucking sponsor bullshit. It's time to game.